Fossils are rare. You read about fossil discoveries, but you can't just go stick a shovel in the ground and find fossils. They are rare, and there's so many things that have to go just right. Paleontology is a true liberal arts science. So when we think about the liberal arts and the passion of discovery that goes with the liberal arts, in this environment, it can thrive. And number one, because it's so easy to involve students. For somebody that finds something for the first time, the point that we always make is they're the first human ever to see it. Then once they found one, then all they want to do is dig, 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 dig. And so it's a great thrill.
So I've been coming to this location for about 4 years, since 2018, to do digs. What we're hoping to find today is bison bones, mammoth bones, and any smaller vertebrate bones that we can get.
Okay, so our active excavation is right down here where the students are in the hole. They're scraping the wall and looking for the bones, and as they remove sediment from around the bones, they fill up buckets. We'll wash the sediment off, collect our microfossils from over there. But behind you we have another pit. And so this is our newest pit, and we've cleared out all the trees on this side, and we're going to move in that direction. This has been productive, and so it eventually will move that way. Most of the time when we collect fossils from a big animal, you're collecting things like this, and then you have this massive jigsaw puzzle. We get really excited about finding something like this. So finding something like that is just, here in the state, that was unheard of. We have 2 dates, and we're not sure on exactly how old it was. So we're somewhere 20,000 to 50,000 years old.
This clearly is a very physical job, but it also allows you to sort of like look back into this world that's very different than the one that we live in now. But I love just being out here.
For today's world, if we don't understand the past, you can't predict the future. Paleontology can tell us not just the organisms that were in Georgia 10,000 years ago, 20,000 years ago. It gives you an indication of what the climate was like. We are at a period of time where carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere are increasing rapidly. 2020 was the hottest year ever recorded since we've been recording, climate. What's within the realm of possibility? How much warmer can we get? Have we been this warm before? What happens to Georgia's vegetation as climates change? Well, unless we know what Georgia's vegetation were when climates were different, we really can't model that. And so in terms of a practical application, we've got to understand the past to predict the future.